Hello guys, welcome to our channel Learn with MJ. Here we are with most important tips and tricks to crack UGC NET in first attempt. For all the aspirants preparing for this exam, here are some amazing tips. Cracking UGC NET exam in the very first time is not a difficult task, but one has to put proper efforts and dedication. Let us have a quick look at some important tips which will help students clear the UGC NET exam in the first attempt. First thing is to understand the syllabus and pattern. Stick to your syllabus. Every aspirant knows that study material must be sourced from various places, but don't make the mistake of trying to read too many books and end up getting confused and frustrated. Decide on a few books and stick to them. Read one or two good newspapers to keep yourselves up to date on current affairs. Also, go through news websites for the latest topics of national and international politics, education, teaching, science and technology, and socio-economic issues. Second, mock test. Answering previous year question papers can give you an idea of the types of questions asked by the UGC or NTA and also helps you assess your own preparation level well in advance. Mock test can help your preparation in various ways. It helps the candidate in developing the right strategy. It guides the students in learning new techniques and solve the questions in a better way. It also helps the candidate in analyzing his or her performance and preparation level. It guides you to understand the importance of time management in the actual exam. Third, try to make short notes and do revision. Get into the practice of making your own notes from the beginning. This will help students to grasp relevant information quickly. One-time study won't get you through the exam. Revising the concept on a regular basis will increase your retention power and will help you in memorizing the important points. So make sure that you revise what you study regularly. Fourth, focus on understanding and devise your own strategy. Ensure that you have a thorough understanding of your basics. Every individual is different. Their strength and weakness are different. A single strategy cannot work for all, and no one else can frame your preparation strategy except you. Fifth one, smart study. One should study smartly for the exam rather than preparing each and every topic. This differentiates the winners from the losers. Instead of counting the number of hours you study, see how effectively you have studied. This approach is the key to success in UGC NET exam. Sixth point is time management skills. Manage your time judiciously and stick to the plan. Make a habit to set the time limit for any topic which you study in order to understand the actual performance level. 7th point is the positive attitude. Having a positive attitude towards what you do is utmost importance. One should never give up no matter what had happened in the past. Negative thoughts often tend to distract your mind. So have faith in yourselves and work towards your goal with a positive attitude. Please subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon to get the latest updates. Share, like and support us.